Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss Chromebook not working and easy to follow guide to fix the issue. Number 1. Check the charger and power source. Verify the charger and ensure the Chromebook is receiving power. Ensure the charger is securely connected to both the Chromebook and a working power outlet. Inspect the charger and cable for visible damage. Try a different compatible charger. Test the outlet by plugging in another device. Number 2. Check the charging indicator. Look for LED lights indicating the device is receiving power. Check the LED near the charging port. A solid blue or orange light typically indicates charging. If no light is visible, the Chromebook may not be receiving power. Number 3. Perform a hard reset. Reset the Chromebook's hardware to address startup issues. Turn off the Chromebook, press and hold the refresh key and tap the power button. Release both keys when the Chromebook starts up. This resets connections between the battery and internal components. Number 4. Disconnect external devices. Remove peripherals that might interfere with the boot process. Unplug all external devices like USB drives, external hardware drives, or peripherals. Restart the Chromebook without any connected devices. Number 5. Check for system updates. Ensure Chrome OS is up to date to resolve software related issues. Connect your Chromebook to Wi-Fi. Click the time in the bottom right corner, Settings, and then About Chrome OS. Click Check for updates. If updates are available, install them and restart the Chromebook. Number 6. Clear browser data. Remove cache data that may be causing the issue. Open Chrome browser, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and then Clear Browsing Data. Select a time range and a type of data to clear, for example cache, cookies, and then clear data. Number 7. Disable unnecessary extensions. Turn off or remove extensions that could be causing conflicts. Open Chrome browser, go to More Tools, Extensions. Review the list of extensions. Disable or remove extensions you don't recognize or need. Number 8. Reset browser settings. Restore Chrome browser settings to default. Open Chrome browser, go to Settings, Advanced, and then Reset and Clean Up. Click Restore settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset settings. Number 9. Perform a factory reset power wash. Reset the Chromebook to factory setting to resolve persistent issues. Backup warning. Save important files to Google Drive or an external device. Go to Settings, Advanced, and then Reset settings. Click Power Wash and then Restart. Select Power Wash, continue and follow prompts. Number 10. Contact support. Seek professional help if none of the above steps will resolve the issue. Contact the Chromebook's manufacturer support team. Provide details about the problem and step already taken. Visit an authorized service center if hardware repair or replacement is required. Thanks for watching.